What's up, Alpha Nerds? Our next epic DC vs. Marvel multiverse battle is between DC's Black Canary from Prime Earth versus Marvel's Mockingbird from Earth-616. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification to receive more stunning videos in the future. Dinah Laurel Lance, known as Black Canary, commands respect in the DC universe. Trained rigorously in martial arts by mentors like Wildcat and the League of Assassins, she possesses unparalleled hand-to-hand combat prowess. Her agility, precision, and reflexes reach peak human levels, making her a formidable opponent in close combat. What distinguishes her is the Canary Cry, her unique meta-human ability. This sonic scream can range from disorienting blasts to devastating forces, allowing precise control to incapacitate foes or shatter objects without causing fatal harm. Dinah's mastery extends beyond offense. She uses it for echolocation, enhancing her awareness and strategic edge in combat. Her acrobatics and swift movements aid in evading attacks while striking with unwavering precision. Beyond her physical prowess, Dinah is a natural leader, guiding various incarnations of the birds of prey and earning respect in the Justice League. Her dedication to justice and status as a symbol of strength elevate her beyond a skilled fighter to an emblem of integrity and determination in the DC universe. Mockingbird, also known as Bobby Morse, began her journey in S.H.I.E.L.D. as a skilled agent specializing in biology. Through experimental enhancements, she evolved into Mockingbird, a formidable hero proficient in martial arts. Her blend of combat skills and intellect made her pivotal in both espionage and heroic exploits. Her versatility stems from a unique skill set, making her formidable in heroism and espionage. Trained extensively in martial arts and armed combat, Mockingbird excels as a hand-to-hand combatant, combining traditional martial arts, espionage tactics, and acrobatics into a nimble combat style. Expertise with various weapons, especially retractable battle staves, showcases her proficiency in melee and ranged combat. Post-experimental treatments boosted Mockingbird's strength, agility, and endurance, enhancing her combat and covert abilities. Her biology background complements her espionage skills, aiding her in infiltration and intelligence gathering. Adaptability shines through her limited photographic reflexes, enabling her to replicate observed physical actions, adding to her combat adaptability. Her blend of combat, espionage, and scientific proficiencies, paired with enhanced physical attributes, positions Mockingbird as a versatile and resourceful hero in the vast Marvel Universe. In a one-on-one battle, Black Canary stands poised to conquer Mockingbird in a thrilling showdown. Her Canary Cry, a metahuman power of immense force, gives her the edge over Mockingbird. Adding her masterful combat skills, honed by legends like Wildcat and the League of Assassins, empower her to outmaneuver Mockingbird. Her history battling enhanced adversaries fortifies her for this clash, ensuring a triumphant outcome. Therefore, the winner of this multiverse battle is...
Want to hear a secret?
DC's Black Canary from Prime Earth. If this video got you hyped up for more awesome battles, then stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button and the bell notifications icon. If you have any further questions about this video, leave it in the comments section down below. Till next time.